All right, your lesson essential question is, how can I use the distributive property to help me find the product of 8 facts? So yesterday we worked with 6s and 7s. Today we're working with 8. And again, we're using that distributive property. So we know when we use the distributive property, we break facts up into 2 easier facts, and we are able to solve the simpler facts and then find the sum to get an answer. So again, that distributive property tells us that a multiplication fact can be broken up into 2 easier facts, and actually today you'll see we can break it up into more than 2. And then we solve it by finding the sum of those simpler facts. At the fair, students try to toss a ball into a cup. There are 8 rows of cups. There are 8 cups in each row. How many cups are there? What is this problem asking us to find? All right, this question is asking us to find how many cups there are. What information is going to help us solve this? You probably said there are 8 cups in each row, and there are 8 rows. So our multiplication fact that we're trying to solve is 8 times 8. Just like 6s and 7s, 8s are pretty hard. So let's look at 2 ways we can break up our 8 facts. All right, so we have our array. We've got 8 rows. We've got 8 cups in each row. Now this is actually going to make more than 2 facts. I know that multiplying by 2 is very easy because I can either do my doubles facts of addition or I can count by 2s. So we can break 8 up into 4 sets of 2. That leaves me with 2 times 8. 2 times 8. 2 times 8. And 2 times 8. So I know that I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Or I know that I can use my doubles facts of addition and do 8 plus 8. Either way, all of these equal 16. So now all I need to do is add all of these 16s together. I know that 15 plus 15 is 30. And if I give that one back and that one back, I have 32. So 32 plus 32, 64. So the sum of all of these facts is 64, meaning my product is 64. Let's look at another way. I can break this array in half, and it leaves me with 4 times 8 and 4 times 8. 2 simpler facts. I know that 4 times 8 is 32. And And of course, 4 times 8 again, 32. And then I just add my two products together. And again, I get 64. So I've used the distributive property to break 8 times 8 up into simpler multiplication facts.